So that some found married, they changed it.
Some of them found married and they're like, oh my
They
god,
changed it.
let's find something else.
What's your best hangover cure?
It's there.
Firstly, congratulations on your new opening of Scarlet House in Juhu. We at Unstumbled love your Bandra outlet. We've been very open about our praise for it. So we're really excited about Juhu as well. You know, a lot of people say a lot of things about working with friends, working with family, don't mix the two. You working with your friends, plus you actually work with your son in this as well. How was that experience?
Working with both Arhan and Malay have been amazing because they bring a different
Perspective,
young energy. I mean, I
Yeah.
say they are Gen Z, we are
Also Gen Z.
we are some other Gen.
Yeah.
Gen X, Gen Z. I get very confused. But they are the younger ones, we are the older ones.
Yeah.
Touchwood, it's been amazing. I don't want to say too much because I feel I'll jinx it or nazar lagti hai. Working with Haran, I thought we'd be arguing and stuff, but I have to say he has his head firmly on his shoulders. He is always up for a discussion, always up for any kind of understanding or teamwork. I feel Dhaval has really been a mentor to us. He has the understanding and the backing for years.
What was your design inspiration for this space? We were told that this is an old recording studio.
Yes, it is an old beautiful recording studio where multiple films have been recorded in this iconic spot. I think a lot of the design space or the design thought comes from the area, from the location. If you see the Bandra space, it's a 90-year-old Portuguese home, situated in the heart of Bandra. We're right next to the beach, hence the outdoor space, the glass house as we call it.
Faith, every city has that one bar, okay, that's going to remain in your memory forever.
Yeah.
What is that one bar for you?
I have two actually. One is Yacht. Obviously, I've been going there since I started drinking. Then there's obviously Wong's that is here. Whenever we have a late night at work and all of that, so all of us together as a team, we go to these places together.
Now we have our own program that you've
Yeah.
created for
Yeah.
us.
Dhaval, as someone who has been both guest and mostly a host, what's the one thing that you notice no matter what when you enter a restaurant?
From the time I enter, it's the valet, is the first person I meet. Then I enter the reception. I notice that how is the welcome, how is the whole entire experience of sitting down. Then comes the food and ambience part. But it's very important when you enter, you should feel like home. And I feel that's what matters to me the most.
What is your favorite dish on the menu?
My personal favorite is the khichdi, is the paneer thecha, the pasta, which is the caramelized onion pasta. I love the sandwiches. I am obsessed with the sandwiches on the menu, whether it is the paratha sandwich, the Bombay toasty sandwich that is very iconic. So these are my favorites.
The sushi is also really good.
Yes, our sushis are excellent because you don't really see these flavors in sushis. I think with the fact that we've used gunpowder, we've
Madras
used
beetroot.
the beetroot one.
Yeah.
So these are very interesting elements that we've added to our sushi. Faye, what's yours?
My favorite dish is a paneer thecha.
Every night I have some gluten-free wrap from the menu.
You have plenty of spaces that you've already worked
Yeah.
on. You have Laila, Gigi, now you have Scarlet House, Juhu.
Yeah.
Is there a favorite?
Can't be. Can't be. Favorite is what I'm launch. Whenever I launch a new one, that's the favorite.
Think before you speak.
So the next favorite is Scarlet Joe. But I mean, these are all for
How can
me.
you
It's
choose a
everything is
child
same.
now? Yeah, they're
Yeah,
all your
it's
kids.
all the
You
same
can't-
and
you can't
done with a
choose
lot
your
of hard
favorite.
work.
So you said that art is an emotion
Yeah.
as your bar philosophy.
Yeah.
What's the last piece of art that could be visual, musical, anything that has actually inspired your cocktails?
So the cocktail in Bandra comes from an inspiration that I have with Jackson Pollock.
I've tried my hand
Yeah.
at it. Even I've tried to actually do that on the cube over there.
Yeah, and anyone can
Yeah.
do it.
It's quite interesting actually to actually try, to
Yeah.
actually get
It's a very interactive cocktail program.
Which is good. Like
Yeah.
we have a blindfold one. You
Yeah.
have a one which you
Yeah.
can actually try out the art on the cube of ice. So there's a lot. It's very interactive. Like
So we got a chance actually to come and try out their menu before the launch. And one of the things that was really interesting was this cocktail board. It's a sexy idea. Okay,
Yeah.
to give you all an idea of the cocktail board, it's like a small board where you have to find out names and they make you cocktails according to that.
Yeah.
Whose idea was that?
That was my idea.
That is so smart.
Yeah.
And it's so great that you can, and this is something that's open to all guests and something that they should try.
I believe in the universe. Yeah, the universe has ways to kind of show you and tell you like what you're subconsciously thinking about, and you actually will resonate with it. And I've seen that many times when I've given people this board experience, some people have found miracles because they really need a miracle to like change.
I found
Change
it. I found a miracle.
And
Some found
you
merit,
find
they
the
changed it.
hope to do that, you know?
Some of them found marriage and they're like, oh my
They
god,
changed it.
let's find something else. I think it's such a beautiful conversation
it's
starter.
yeah.
Like she said, it's somewhere subconsciously you see things which are probably
Yeah.
going on in your head, or you know, some sort of
Or you really
emotion.
need it.
Or you
Yeah.
need it, or you're
Yeah.
looking for it. It's
Yeah.
like, or you're manifesting
Yeah.
it, you know?
Your mom's Malayali.
That's right.
What about your childhood meal really resonates with you? What's that one childhood meal that you can't get enough of?
Firstly, it's the smell and fresh cooked rice. That is something that I'm obsessed with, because
Yeah.
any South Indian home, that rice that is being cooked. For me, it's a toss up between fish curry and sambar or fried fish. So these are things that I've grown up eating, and that's what triggers my, my taste buds. Hence, we have a Malabar prawn curry
Yeah.
on our menu, which is like literally that you feel like it's cooked in a nice Mallu home. Literally, that's how it is.
What's the one hospitality habit that you just cannot unsee now? Like,
Hygiene.
what is this?
Hygiene, yeah. I would
Most
say that,
important
yeah.
because it has to be. As I said, when you enter, is the first thing you notice when you enter the place, the people. So that's very important. So I notice the hygiene, the restrooms, everything. The grooming. These things are very crucial when you enter, and that is non-compromised.
I'm going to ask you all a question together now,
Okay.
and I want you all to say the first thing that comes into your head.
Okay.
Okay, whatever. All of y'all have to give y'all can't discuss this and
Okay, okay,
answer.
okay.
Okay. Let's say Scarlet House has to pop up internationally now. What's the one place that y'all think Scarlet House should show up in?
Dubai.
Thailand,
I also feel Bangkok.
great cocktail culture.
Great food culture
Great
in
food
Dubai
culture
as
yeah.
well. Or both. Yeah,
Yeah,
okay,
both.
fine.
Say it's the era of picantes suddenly.
Yeah, yeah,
Everybody
please.
is having a picante,
Yes,
right?
it's true, it's true.
But even me,
that
I
is-
think a picante is like,
Yeah.
and we
Yeah.
do some amazing ones.
Yes, yes.
The classic, the jamun, the mango. I mean,
Yeah.
we have some really amazing picantes. Yeah.
What's your best hangover cure?
Is there?
It's yeah, we have made that, and it comes from. I like to eat pickles after that. So when you
Texting
eat
me and
pickles-
complaining.
No, I never complain.
That's the best hangover cure.
I eat raw mango with
Salt?
like a pickle.
Oh.
Like I make a pickle out of it and I eat.
And that's interestingly part of one of your cocktails.
Yes, yes.
Yeah?
It really helps.
Marriage.
It really
That's a
helps.
marriage.
Marriage
Yes, that's a
cocktail,
marriage,
yeah.
So that's a papaya carrot pickle that they make. They make during weddings, East Indian weddings.
But
Otherwise, we have in a
Yeah, we
hydration
have
bar.
yeah.
We have a hangover.
It's like a
please,
pickled water.
Please have it.
If Scarlet's Bar were a playlist, what are the songs that you think should be on it?
One love.
Don't stop believing.
My favorite song. Oh my
Yeah.
God, Faye, you just took the song out of my mouth. Or then I love French, Italian music as well.
Yeah.
And I think that really goes well with our vibe.
Food is so tied to emotion, right? What's your earliest food memory that you can remember?
My go-to for anything. I think even back in the day as a child, it was a nice hot bowl of khichdi with achar and papad. And of course, ghee on top. Ooh, drizzle with ghee.
You've constantly reinvented yourself from a VJ to now a restaurateur. You've done so much, and at a time when women empowerment wasn't even that big a thing and everything. How do you manage to push yourself and motivate yourself to do more and to keep chasing boundaries?
I think the only way you can push these boundaries is if the need and the hunger and the want. And I think that's never gonna go. The day you say ki bas bahut ho gaya, I think that's when it's pack up. But the day, I mean, as long as you feel that hunger to try different things and to want to learn more, I think that will keep you forever going. That keeps you young, that keeps you, even mentally you feel invigorated. A great team around you. So all the people that I've met in the course of my years of working and collaborated, I think each one of them have brought such a different dimension to my life, and I'm really eternally grateful.
Thank you
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And if you guys have a message you'll want to tell our guests, please come to Scarlet House, Juhu. The food is amazing. And I'm not saying that just because they're sitting here. I really mean it. The food is so amazing.
Thank you.
I think it's not just food, it's the vibe, the cocktails, the entire Scarlet House team. I think you will feel loved, you will feel like you're at home.
Yeah.
You will feel like there's just so much to offer. The music, the ambience,
Yeah.
everything. Come and make our home your home.